Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing sourdough pizza. This special video for people who really love sourdough, but they don't have time to do any baking activity during the week. They work, but they want to do something special for their family, and once in a week pizza party with healthy sourdough dough. I'm gonna show how I keep my starter alive while I'm not baking any bread during the week. Let's get started. Friday, 10:30 a.m. and my sourdough always in the fridge. Once in a week I do some big project. Today it's pizza dough project. First things, I need to know how much starter I have, old one. I have 76 grams of starter, and I'm gonna put the same amount of the water and flour. Mix well. It looks like this in the end, and what I'm gonna do, transfer here that I can see the level, because I need to double in size. Okay guys, see you later. Look at. Normally my starter really strong and it's ready after 4 hours. But now it's 7 p.m. and life is life. It's been more than 7 hours and my starter go up and now going down. But it's okay. We're gonna do our dough. Don't worry. It's happening in your life. Continue. Here, my flour. I put little bit of whole grain with 0.0 flour for pizza, and I mix salt, 10 grams. Here it's oregano. This is a recipe I see from my friend from Chile, and I love oregano. Mix, mix, mix. Water 300 grams. And our starter. Here it's more than 200 grams. What I'm gonna do, I just take out everything. Look at like this. And here on the edges it's gonna be about 20 minimum, maximum 40 grams. This is I'm gonna keep for future. Don't be surprised. Garlic. This is what I want to try. Thank you, Cristobal, for idea. And mix everything. I was in Chile and our friend Cristobal, he loves to cook. I was visiting his house and he showed me his dough. It was dough for pizza and it was smelled so good because of garlic. And the recipe it was that in the dough he puts garlic and oregano. That moment when I was visiting him, the dough was on the proving process and I couldn't taste it. And I always want to try how it's gonna be, and now here we are. And the beauty of this recipe is that he ended up with the recipe himself. I check out on internet, I never seen. I've been searching a lot of pizza recipe, never seen that someone put inside of the dough garlic and oregano, never. It's Cristobal idea. Here I'm gonna knead for the 5 minutes. Stand mixer, 5-10 minutes. How to know when it's ready? In my hands there is no any dough. And when I touch the dough, it's not sticky. This is moment I stop. I'm gonna put in this here. I'm having some oil that after that easy to take it out. Our beautiful dough with oregano and garlic. Put it here. Visually I can see when it's double in size. That's why I transfer in this size of the bowl. Close it and wait when it's double in size. And after we're gonna see each other. But what I want to show, do you remember this jar where I always keep my starter? What it rests, I'm gonna put here and transport to my fridge. After 4 hours, it looks like this. Here you can divide it at 4 and make it ball and to put in the fridge separately. But in my case, it's too late and I'm gonna do tomorrow after overnight cold fermentation. Morning for everyone. My dough just from after fridge, because the dough is so cold, even you don't need to use any flour because it won't stick. It's gonna be for pizza. Look at Easy peasy. It smells a lot of garlic. If you like garlic, this is the recipe. Okay, I'm gonna transfer to this kind of containers. If you have just one big container, yes, but sometimes we use only like 1, 2, and in this stage, if you don't use, you can put it back to the fridge. Put some oil. Voila. Like this. Perfect. Normally, I do these things in the evening because in the morning, pizza day, I don't need to deal with dough. It's just shape it and make it pizza. But yesterday, it was a little late. See you in 2 hours. It should stay in room temperature, guys. After 2 hours, it's time to do the pizza. What I do, I take my pizza dough, real simple, because of it was in the room temperature, it's easy to work. Look at. Our goal to have really thin, and you can do with your hands. Like this. Okay. I put some little olive oil, tomato sauce. I spread with spoon, and because if I put some oil in the first place, it helped me to spread everywhere. Then I put some olives, really simple. Toppings, it's really individual. You can put whatever you want, and some Parmigiano. That's all, that's it. Oven with pizza stone has been heating more than 30 minutes. It's really important. And voila. Opala. 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, let's check it out. Woo! Wow! Look at 8 minutes in high temperature and it's ready. I hope this video was useful for you guys, especially for Eugenie. This video was inspired because of your message, because of you really wanted to do sourdough. I'm trying all of my best convincing my mom, my sisters, please let's do with sourdough. It's good for your body, it's healthy for you, but they're still not doing it. But you, even though you are so busy, you have 3 kids, and you're still ready to dedicate your time for doing this dough for your family. I love you and I'm really, really proud of you that you are doing your best as a mom. Mwah.